Troubleshooting the garbage disposal in your rental home. Having trouble with your garbage disposal? Save time and money by following these tips to get your garbage disposal in your rental home working properly. Before we get started, you'll want to grab a key wrench or a 1/4-inch Allen wrench from your toolbox. First, locate the GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter on the wall near your sink and press the reset button on the unit. Next, check that the circuit breakers or fuses at the main electrical panel are on. If electricity is flowing to the unit, but the issue still persists, flip the disposal's wall switch on. If you do not hear the motor humming, it means the unit has tripped the internal circuit breaker. Immediately turn off the switch. Open the cabinet located underneath your sink. Locate the red reset button on the bottom of your disposal. Press the reset button in firmly and release. Flip the wall switch on again. If the garbage disposal now works, you are finished. If the disposal motor hums, turn off the switch because your disposal is jammed. Check to make sure that the disposal switch is turned off. Then, locate the recessed hex-shaped hole in the bottom of the disposal. Use the key wrench to manually turn the disposal's motor shaft. First counterclockwise then clockwise, until the obstruction is dislodged and the motor shaft spins freely. From above, run water into the sink and turn on the garbage disposal. If it runs smoothly, you're finished. Consider running a test of the disposal with ice to ensure the unit is working properly. This will also keep the blade sharp. Here's some advice to keep your disposal running properly. When it comes to what goes down your garbage disposal, we like to say that if you can eat it, then it can go down the disposal. Things like grease, fat, food rinds, bones, and eggshells should not be put in the disposal. Be sure to turn on the faucet and let cool water run prior to turning on the disposal. For more helpful tips and tricks troubleshooting issues in your rental home, please visit rentprogress.com.